Hello friends, myself Deepi Sahu. Welcome you in your favorite YouTube channel Study Campus. Really, I am very happy and very excited to see your response, the way you have responded and appreciated my efforts. Within 4 days, 200 subscriber and 1000 view, really amazing for me. And first of all, I express gratitude to you all, my viewers and subscriber. Really great things for me, and it gives a lot of encouragement for me to and give fantastic content for you so that you can get a lot of knowledge. Friends, today I am with new video, carbon and its compound, class 10 NCRT example problem and a solution for class 10 science, published by DP Sahu. You can also visit my website www.studycampus.net. Then let's start. Multiple choice question. Friends, question number 1. Carbon exists in the atmosphere in the form. Carbon जानते हैं, it is a compound CO2. तो ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ओनली। जो कार्बन का जो एग्जिस्ट है वो सिर्फ ओनली कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ओके, इन द नेचुरल फॉर्म इन द एटमॉस्फेयर। कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, it is a when the carbon coal burns with less amount of oxygen, it means incomplete combustion takes place, then carbon monoxide form. It means the question number 1, the correct answer is C, carbon dioxide only. Question number 2, which of the following statement are usually correct for carbon compounds? Carbon compounds, okay, are good conductor of electricity. This option. Are poor conductor of electricity, have a strong force of attraction between their molecules. 4, do not have a strong force of attraction between their molecules. Friends, the correct answer is D. Carbon compounds are poor conductor of electricity. First. Second, they do not have a strong force of attraction between their molecule. Why? Since carbon is a element having atomic number 6, having 4 valence electron, as you know, carbon can form only covalent compound. It can share the electron, cannot transfer the electron. Okay, friends? It means they do not have any free electron to carry out electric current. Since carbon is having 4 valence and it can form covalent compound and which exhibit less intermolecular attraction. That is why they are poor conductor of electricity. The option D, second and 4 is the right answer. Question number 3, friends. A molecule of ammonia has, very important question. Option A, only single bond. You know, ammonia is a covalent molecule in which center nitrogen atom is bonded with 3 hydrogen atom through a single covalent compound. Friend, NH3, it means valence electron of, as you know, nitrogen is first is just that is 3, okay. Nitrogen atomic number 7 to 5 electronic configuration, and the valence electron, that is 3 hydrogen atom can share 3 electron with nitrogen atom and form single covalent bond, that is A, okay. Next, question number 4, friends. Buckminster fullerenes is an allotropic form of, very simple, that is a carbon 60, you know. Buckminster fullerenes is an allotrope of carbon with 60 carbon atoms which are joined together in spherical shape. The question number 4, the correct answer is carbon. Question number 5, which of the following are correct structural isomer of C4H10? Friend, look at the questions. इट इज गिवन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला। स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमर्स का मीनिंग क्या होता है? स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमर का मीनिंग है हैविंग द सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला। मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला क्या होना चाहिए? सेम होना चाहिए, बट डिफरेंट पैरेंट चेन ऑफ कार्बन एटम इन द मॉलिक्यूल। स्ट्रक्चर डिफरेंट होना चाहिए लेकिन फार्मूला सेम। वो कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर है जी? देखिए जस्ट यस, दिस इज ए ब्यूटेन C4H10। यस, लुक एट द one and third. This is the right answer, option A. Option A is the right answer. Okay friends, question number 6. In the following reaction, see alkaline potassium permanganate, okay, in the presence of potassium permanganate, this is a ethyl alcohol react and we supply heat. This is CH3COH, okay, acetic acid. In the above given reaction, the alkaline KMnOH4 act as, very important question, since it oxidize alcohol to acid, okay, by addition of oxygen, friend. When there is a addition of oxygen, it means, okay, the right answer is B, oxidizing agent. Okay, next question number 7. Ions on treating with hydrogen in the presence of palladium or nickel catalyst form fats. This is an example of addition reaction. As you know, in hydrogenation reaction, addition of hydrogen to double bond of unsaturated compound found in ion. This is an example of addition reaction. Question number 8. In which of the following compounds OH is the functional group? देखिए OH means अल्कोहल। अल्कोहल देखिए बुटानोन, यहाँ पर नॉन है, इट मीन्स कीटोन ग्रुप है। बुटानोल, यस, इसमें अल्कोहल है। बुटानवाइक एसिड, इसमें एसिटिक एसिड, माने इसमें एसिड का एसिड फंक्शनल ग्रुप है। COOH। बुटानल, इसमें क्या है? एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप है। तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, ब्यूटानॉल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. The soap molecule has option A, hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. B, hydrophobic head and hydrophilic tail. C, hydrophobic head and a hydrophobic tail. D, hydrophilic head and hydrophilic tail. The right answer is option A, the hydrophilic head and a hydrophobic tail. Friends, as you know, a soap molecule contains a long hydrocarbon part and a small ionic part of CONA group. Okay, the hydrocarbon chain is hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means water repelling, and ionic head is hydrophilic. Hydrophilic means water attracting group. Okay, next question number 10. Which of the following is the correct representation of electron dot structure of nitrogen? Yes, see, valence electron of nitrogen is 5. Yes, the option D. There is 2 nitrogen atom, it forms one molecule of nitrogen, N2. Okay, nitrogen molecule is a covalent molecule in which 2 nitrogen atom are bonded through triple covalent bond with one lone pair of electron over each nitrogen atom. Okay, since lone pair 1 में 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन हो गया, 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, इट फॉर्म्स ट्रिपल बॉन्ड। तो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला ऑफ इथाइन, देखिए अल्काइन CnH2n-2, ये फार्मूला है ना, जनरल फार्मूला है अल्काइन का, CnH2n-2 फ्रेंड। तो ऑप्शन ए, वेरी सिंपल, A is single bond C, and triple bond C, single bond H. This is alkyne, CnH2n minus 2. Okay friend. Question number 12. Chlorine react with saturated hydrocarbon at room temperature in the presence of, yes, presence of sunlight. Option B is the right answer. Question number 13. Question number 13. In the soap missiles, in the question number 13, in the questions number, yes, 13, identify the unsaturated compound from the following. Friend, unsaturated, it is asking unsaturated. तो unsaturated क्या हो गया फ्रेंड? लिसन, प्रोपेन, this is saturated hydrocarbon. Alkane is saturated, and unsaturated means double bond and triple bond. कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन के बीच, मीन कार्बन कार्बन के बीच डबल बॉन्ड एंड कार्बन के बीच ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. अल्कीन और अल्काइन दे आर अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन. प्रोपेन नो, प्रोपिन यस, प्रोपाइन यस, क्लोरोप्रोपेन नो. तो ऑप्शन सेकेंड एंड थर्ड that is D is the right answer. Okay, option D is the right answer. Okay friend. Question number 14. In the soap missiles, which is the correct statement? Look at the correct statement of this one. The ionic end of soap is on the surface of cluster, while the carbon chain is in the interior of cluster. Option A, that is right answer. Okay. Missile is a spherical aggregation of soap molecule in water in which hydrocarbon ends are directed towards the center and ionic ends are directed outward. Okay. Last question number 15. Pentane has the molecular formula of C5H12. It has, since C5H12, it has 12 covalent bonds. 12 covalent bonds, friends. Since pentanes contain 4 carbon-carbon bonds and 12 carbon-hydrogen covalent bond. Okay, and what is covalent bond? Where there is sharing of electron between carbon and hydrogen here. Since now we have finished this video, friends, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Subscribe it, Study Campus YouTube channel, and like this video. And friends, you just press the bell button so that you can get upcoming video notification. Okay friends, Jai Hind, stay tuned. Thank you.